Arrange the following in increasing order. Increasing order, that means from smallest to biggest, or also called as ascending order. Now, this is a very typical question in CMAT. So always remember how to solve these kind of questions. So first, let's convert it into indices. So fourth root of 3, we can write it down as 3 raised to 1 by 4. This gets converted to 2 raised to 1 by 3. This gets converted to 5 raised to 1 by 6. And this gets converted to 7 raised to 1 by 6. Okay. Now, in such kind of questions, when we have to compare, we need to make sure that the power is easily comparable. Okay. So what we will do is we will raise all these four values to the LCM of the denominators in the power. So the denominators here are 4, 3, and 6. Okay. So the LCM of 4, 3, and 6 is 12. So let's raise all these values to 12. Now, when we are raising all these values to 12, it becomes very easy to compare. Now, we need to know one more property of indices. When we have a raised to m bracket raised to n, it is nothing but a raised to m into n. Okay. So now we can easily compare this. So this becomes 3 raised to 3. Okay. This becomes 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 4. This becomes 5 raised to 2. And this becomes 7 raised to 2. Okay. So 7 square is 49. 5 square is 25. 2 raised to 4 is 16. And 3 cube is 27. So the smallest value is B. Then we have C. Then we have A. Then we have D. So the answer comes out as option B.